Hey, it's Amber from Orange Olive Road. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make water balloons or water bombs on a 22 needle knitting machine. We make these in my family because I have a child with special needs and he has sensitivity to latex. Last year when I posted this pattern to TikTok, it went viral and lots of people didn't understand why we would make these or how they were used. So hopefully this video will help you learn how to make them and you can try them out this year for yourself. One last quick note before we get started. These actually do not physically hold water inside them. They just soak up or absorb water so that you can throw them. Have fun!
You need a 22 pin machine, blanket yarn, scissors, needle, and waste yarn. Cast on 5 rows of waste yarn just like this before you switch to blanket yarn. Leave a few inches of a tail for sewing. Now when you put it in the tensioner, or at least your yarn in the tensioner, different machines will have different options, and Addie has a few options. This is one of them like this. It's a looser tension for bigger yarn, but for things like this, at least blanket yarn, I like to go slow and just not use the tensioner at all. Once I have a few rows cranked, I can feed my yarn back to the tensioner and get the 25 rows that I need for this particular part of the project. Then you're going to switch back to waste yarn. Once you switch back to waste yarn, you need to cast 5 rows of waste yarn. Let it fall off the machine just like this. Okay, so it'll be a little bit stiff. Give it a good stretch all the way around. It's really, really stretchy, and you're ready to start sewing. Take your long tail and weave the ends in and out all the way around. Then you're going to take off your waste yarn just like this. Once you do that, you're going to pull it shut very gently, and then you're going to take the needle and run it through the center just like I did a second ago. You're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Take off your waste yarn just like this. This side will be a little tricky. Then once you cinch it shut, you're going to go ahead and take that needle. You're going to place it in the center, and see how I'm kind of bunching it up to make that balloon shape. You're going to come up about 6 or 7 rows, and you're going to wrap your yarn tightly around just like this. Then you're going to go back down and in out through the bottom middle just like that. Then you're going to secure the ends with some surgeon's knots, and then what you'll do is you'll thread your yarn and you're going to weave it back up in through the work and cut the edges.
Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.